That's quite a way to wake up, right? I heard the thunder rumbling and I jumped out of bed. Got the rain fly and everything lowered. Still wasn't quite enough. I'm still getting little bits of mist here and there, but it's not so bad. I'm gonna have to wait this one out. I am gonna need to run down to the boat and run the bilge pump. Wow, here it is at like, it's almost 7 a.m. I heard the thunder started rumbling at about 6:30 and I was like, uh-oh. So, good morning everybody. Hope you all slept well. This is day 4. This is the day that I break camp and head on home. But like I said, I'm not gonna be in a hurry. I didn't realize it was gonna be like this. Well, I might as well enjoy the show. Man, it cleared up nicely. It's glorious. The sun coming through the trees like this is amazing. I'm loving it. The wind did pick up quite a bit though, so I'm assuming that once I get onto the main channel, it's gonna be a bit choppy on the way back. We'll see. But yeah, that was crazy waking up to that thunderstorm this morning. It was like, uh-oh, I better batten down the hatches. So, but everything's dry still, everything's good. So I'm just starting to do my little routines here. I'm starting to tidy up things, starting to gather up, you know, my trash and gathering up extra trash that I found, you know, along the bank, and then, you know, sorting things out. Got a bunch of clothes on the clothesline over there, but yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna cook up myself a bit of breakfast, the leftover eggs and leftover meat and stuff, because I need to empty out the cooler. There's only like maybe a little bit of ice left in it, and it's just a bunch of dead weight for no reason. There's a turkey in camp. Looks like a hen. Where there's one, there's more. Could have a bunch of babies with her. That's really cool. I got a lot of work to do. And I still gotta cook breakfast, so better get a wiggle on. that's it. That's where my hammock was. This is where my storage was. I've got nothing left. Double checking everything, making sure I didn't leave anything behind. And yeah, today's been really productive. I got ate a lot of food. I had to eat everything that was going to perish, like the meats and the eggs and things like that. So I just pigged out. But yeah, it's been a fantastic weekend. It was nice to get away for a little while, It's been so long since I've done this. And it's just something I really enjoy doing. And I just haven't had the time, it gets away from me, And it's been a spectacular weekend. These winds today have been pretty high, and I was sitting here getting ready to leave, and a wind started blowing through these trees, and then pop, snap, something sounded like it was about to come tumbling down. I jumped up and ran through the woods away from the noise, but nothing happened. But that doesn't mean it's not gonna happen. It's gonna happen when I'm not around. All right, guys, let's hit the river. Head on back. Almost forgot to put my PFD on. Alright. Take it nice and slow through here. It's like meandering back and forth here. Just being careful of underwater debris. There's lots of logs and stuff. Alright, that's it. This is actually a slow, minimal wake zone because of manatee. But yeah, it's okay. I don't mind. Alright, we're entering the St. John's here. People really like to go moving on this river, I tell you what. There's a couple of speedy guys right there. Take it easy here. Alright, in the St. John's here, so coming up. civilization. I'm almost to the boat ramp. This trip is coming to a close. Alright, that's good. Sweet. Well, here we are. That was a good run, man. I like that. Boat did super awesome. Well, I gotta sort this out and get it to where I could drive it down the road and call it quits. So guys, I appreciate y'all very much. I hope you had a good time. Yeah, this weekend was absolutely brilliant. I couldn't ask for a better one. Thunderstorms and good weather, bad weather, animals, good food, chilling. That was what it's all about. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all very much. Thank you for watching, and like always, take care.